walk you through a new install. All right. So we'll start under the house. A lot of these ACs are up underneath. We'll go under here. See if I can find the light switch somewhere. All right, right here. Okay. All right. So one of the things here is it needs to be above the ground, because we don't want that unit sitting on the ground. It'll rust really bad. So we have this thing really well supported. One of the codes out here in North Carolina is that if you put 2 cinder blocks on top, the cinder blocks have to be connected together with mortar. So that's what we have here. Also, we have 2 drains. One is a primary drain and the other one is a backup. We have that going on there. And another thing is the ducts need to be connected, because you don't want to blow cold air under the house. Who wants to do that, right? We want all of our cold air going up into the house. We have that connected there. This is a really good, solid installation. Of course, you can see we always have that sticker there. AC Man Heating and Air. We've been in Fayetteville for the last 20 years, and we're going to be going on another 20, and then another 20 after that, and then another 20 after that. So, all right, let's go outside. Okay. Here's the unit here, and you can see right there where it's draining out. Of course, we like to seal that hole because we don't want rodents going in. Oh, let me close this fence. We don't want rodents going in where we run the pipes under the house. So we seal that to keep everything outside, right? Everything that's outside needs to stay outside. Keep them from going up under the house. So this is the unit here. Nice, solid, sitting on top of a pad, keeping it off of the ground. It's really a good, solid installation. AC Man Heating and Air. Thank you for watching.